This is the checkup on the African nightcrawler, I guess, migration bin. Let's see. I believe there should only be babies in here in the bait cup. I think it's been 2 weeks. If it hasn't been 2 weeks, oh well. It'll be only 1 week. All right, let's see. See what we have in here. Well, we do have some babies in here. They're shying away from the light. So let's see what we can have in here. Nothing left in here. Yep, babies, juveniles in here. So I think I'll go ahead and bait the cup again. Before I do that though, let me ruffle up the bin. It's quite dry on the top. I don't have a cover on it because it is kind of wet in here, so I do want to make sure, since I will be baiting this. Let's see, we started this for let's see, we started this on April, let's see, April the 8th, which is about a month ago, 4 weeks ago. So I will be baiting this for another 4 weeks. And get all the babies out, as well as any cocoons that may hatch. Give them plenty of time to hatch. And be coming in the bait cup. So there we go from there. It is moist down here. All right. Let me get the bait cup ready. Let me push this up, make it smaller, so they have less space to go. Okay, go ahead and bait the cup. Have some moist bedding here. Some food, which has been sitting around for a while. And some warm chow. And more moist bedding. Trying to fill it up to the top. Put the cover on. make a hole here. Trying to get all the compost up here. Now wet it a little bit with mosquito dunk water. And that one is done. Put this back up here on the shelf. And these should have, let's see if they need any more food. I believe I fed here in the center. Look at these. See if I can get a good handful here. They were underneath the food. Of course, they want to get away from the light. So let me turn this over. Aerate the bin. I am anticipating by the time the other tray is done being baited of babies and cocoons that have hatched, the worms will have gone through this bedding totally, and then it'd be time to do it all over again. All right, I think all the big ones are hidden. They're pretty fast. All right, go ahead and get more food. Should be enough. Warm chow. Let's cover it up here. A little bit of neem seed. and some water with mosquito ducks in it. And they're all done. And thank you for coming on this journey with me.